I'm getting some candy tonight. I'm craving some candy, so I came to Walgreens. Want something sour and gummy. Those are my favorite. Sour gummies. Ooh, like watermelons. So many options. Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Click that bell for notifications. Have you guys ever tried a Nerds rope? This is what I decided on from Walgreens. I got some Nerds ropes. And I got Nerds clusters. So tasty. I'm so excited to eat it. So, you guys, so many of you have been expressing concern about the fact that I'm in the Phoenix area and it's 110 degrees out. Don't worry about me, guys. I got air conditioning in my van, which I know some of you were also concerned that because my Zero Breeze didn't work, that meant I didn't have air conditioning. That's not true at all. The air conditioning in my van very much works and works great. So that's good news. And also, when I'm in Phoenix, I'm in a house, so I'm comfortable with air conditioning. So don't worry about me one bit, but I do appreciate your concern. Also, I got a P.O. Box. Yay, I got a P.O. Box, and I will announce what the P.O. Box is, like the address, tomorrow on my community page at noon Arizona time. So I will be announcing my P.O. Box tomorrow. Keep in mind that I will only be in town for another 3 weeks in the area before I hit the road on my 6-week road trip. So if you want to send something to me and Winston, especially if you want us to use it or have it on our travels this summer, be sure to get that in the mail in the next 3 weeks so I can pick it up at my new P.O. Box. Yay! So I have that to share with you guys. I'm excited about that. I know it's been a long time coming. Also, June 19th is my 2-year anniversary. Can you guys believe it? I've been doing the minivan camper thing for 2 years already. I think the funniest part is that I bought my red van on June 19th, 2020, and then I bought this van on June 19th of last year. Let's see how it worked out. So on June 19th, I am going to be going live, so I want you guys to come hang out with me, you know, have a beer, chat. We're just going to celebrate my 2-year anniversary in the van. I'm going to get that scheduled on YouTube, so you guys can't miss it. So be sure to be looking out for that. I tried to schedule it today, but I was having some technological issues, but you know, no big deal. So the other thing is I am going to be launching memberships on my YouTube channel, and I am going to share that launch on the live of my van anniversary. So make sure you tune in to that live right here on YouTube on June 19th, because I'm going to be talking all about my new YouTube memberships. And yeah, you can be involved. It's gonna be like a really great way to just get this community really going, and I want to get more personal with those who want to get more personal with me, so I'm really excited about that. So these are the candies I got at Walgreens. I don't know, I'm on just like a Nerds gummy clusters kick. So everybody kind of has their vice. Candy and Coca-Cola is mine, and I haven't been drinking beer. Actually, I had a beer out today, but I haven't really been drinking beer, so I've been treating myself to candy. I got a lot done today, so this is my cooling blanket. If you guys didn't check it out on my last 2 videos, this is my cooling blanket. I love it so much. It's so comfortable for summer. Can't wait to travel. I have Winston's stack of blankets. I still need to make his bed, and I also stocked up on my Sweet and Low today, so I have my coffee stuff all ready, because I think that Winston and I are going to hit the road on Tuesday. So Winston has a collapsed trachea. He's been battling tracheal collapse since he was about 6 months old, but I found a really great holistic warm steam eucalyptus treatment that I've been doing for many, many years, and it works well. However, in this sort of heat, when it's, you know, 110, 113 degrees, he really struggles, and he has really bad flare-ups of his trachea where he coughs and he honks. He kind of sounds like a honking goose, and it's really sad. So, despite gas almost being literally it's $6 a gallon in some places in Arizona now, it's it's close to $6 by my house. I might take him up like to northern Arizona on Tuesday because I want to give him a reprieve from the heat, and I need a reprieve from the heat because the heat really depresses me. Like, I swear this sort of intense heat really triggers my depression because I can't be like out in my van, and it's just terrible. I hate feeling trapped. Like, the desert heat really makes me feel trapped. So so I'm thinking I might, you know, it's like money's tight, right, in this economy. I'm sure so many people can relate, but I need to give Winston some reprieve because I just don't want him feeling like this. It's so crappy. So, yeah, and I need it for myself too. So I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and I got a lot of work done today. I got a lot of writing done. I am a writer by trade. That's, so I'm feeling productive, and I'm feeling pretty good. I just want Winston to feel better, so we might go ahead and take that little adventure, but we'll see. The van is ready to go. In all honesty, it's ready. I just would need to get, you know, some food to take with, but everything's clean, and so I think if I'm feeling up to it and I have the energy, yeah, we might just head up north on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, be looking out for my P.O. Box announcement tomorrow on my community page. Be looking out for the live on June 19th that I'm going to get scheduled, so look for that. And remember that during that I will be talking about my new membership info. Oh, that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So thank you for watching this little update video. I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, leave a comment to let me know how your weekend was. And I will see you next time.